Hey my loves! Me and Anna are going to the Louis Vuitton Christmas party, so it's gonna be an exciting night. We're walking up now. Gonna go party tonight, so we're so excited too. So we're heading to the party now. I can't wait to see what's going on. Yeah. Hi Anna. What's up? Are you ready to party?
Yeah. Oh, yes.
So we're here. Hi, Zona.
Zona? Come on in, guys.
Oh, thank you. Hi. Oh, it's party time. Party and shopping. Let's walk around and see what's going on. Oh, how neat. Oh, this is so fun. I have that bag. Oh, that's so cool. Oh my god, this is so adorable. Oh, I love that. Oh, and these boots. So adorable. Hi, Anna. So right now, we are here at the Louis Vuitton Christmas party for VIP. It's a closed door party inside the store. And I'm wearing my new fox fur coat. I so love this. Oh my god, it's so nice with the lighting here. I love the lights. It just shows my coat well. And I'm wearing my Chanel shoes, my favorite Mary Jane Chanel shoes. And this is the bag for tonight. You know what this is? It's the Felicie Pochette. This is so much fun. I'm so glad to be here. I love this Christmas party. I'm so enjoying it. There's so many people. So stay tuned. Oh, hi Anna. You are eating a lot. Have some champagne with me. So nice. I love the music. So much fun. I love seeing so many people dressed so nicely. Fun party. I like to see everybody well dressed up. This is the back. Yes, cheers. Cheers. You want to show them my outfit today? Oh, so looks nice. Yeah. I like your. Full, so I haven't eaten any. I should eat some. Full clothes, I love it. Oh my god, this is just so adorable. Oh, I love it. This is their holiday collection. Oh my god. Oh my god, this dress. Oh, so cute. I love it. Merry Christmas. I like it. I like this. My phone no battery. Oh my god. Oh my god. I have these bags already. Oh my god, that's so cute. Adorable. I was almost gonna buy the Sakura Pochette Métis in Japan when I was there. I almost bought it that day, but I changed my mind. Oh my god, it's so cute. I don't know if I think that will be my next bag right there. I wonder. $2,550. Not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They only have a 36.
Oh, only one size left?
Yep, only one.
That's the thing. There's very few.
Oh.
So like if I were to order a 34, there's only 2 in the country.
Oh my gosh.
That's why they're so limited.
Wow.
And ready to wear.
Wow. I really like it. So this one you can get from the mannequin. That's the one you
Yes,
sell.
that would be the one. Yes.
Oh, they don't have the new one, huh? That's
Right,
the
that's
one.
it. Like when it comes to ready to wear, there's only one.
A few.
Yeah.
And that's silk, 100% or what is the material?
This here is at, let me 100% silk.
Oh yeah, that's what I thought.
Yep.
It's so, let me put it here. I'm gonna just, oh my god, yeah, it is very, very luxurious. Wow. Wow, I want one of those. Well, I'm falling in love with this skirt in purple. So what do I do? I'm in love with this skirt. I don't know. You know my favorite color is purple. So I'm not sure, but I'm so in love. This one you cannot always use.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Just depends on. It's more of an evening piece, you know.
Right.
But it's
Maybe
a
the
very
capucine.
to the
It is for a collection. Yeah. It's just
It's one of those good pieces to have. in your
adorable, like the Nano Speedy. Yeah. Oh my God. I have to think about this. This is. I like that one too.
Yeah.
What's the difference?
It's just bigger and it's soft.
Yeah.
So
This one is
like
more.
This one every day.
Yeah, that's an everyday. How much is that?
2,400.
Yeah, that's cheaper. This is like a trunk,
Yeah.
small trunk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 22.
Yeah. Yeah, I want classic collection. So. Oh,
Like these backpacks.
wow. How cool. I love this. This is so adorable. Oh my God, and look at the shoes. So cute. Oh my gosh. This one. This one. I think you didn't show me that last time. But that is really
Cute,
cute.
isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like that classic.
That's what Agatha wants. We didn't see this last time. Did this just came? I've seen this on.
Yeah, it's.
I've seen this in other girls, but oh my God, so nice. This is what I like. How much? $6.75. Okay. Oh my God, I love this purple jacket. It's so beautiful. I love this. I picked up something. I don't know what it is, but it's going to be a surprise. Start recording. Because I'm wearing a fur. Why? That's crazy. Zona, let me email it to myself. Zona loves Gmail. So, loves Louis Vuitton at sent. Sent! Yay! Fun, fun, fun! Thank you! Thank you, Louis Vuitton! Such a great year! Thanks to Mark! Shout out to him! He's the best! Come here in South Coast, okay? What a great party! I had so much fun! I love it! I hope you enjoyed what I shared.